Ryan Gass here, PTPGun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to field strip your Beretta 3032 Tomcat. Now before you field strip any firearm, you always want to double check, make sure the firearm's unloaded. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now on this Beretta 3032 Tomcat, the safety's in an unusual spot. Right? Some guns, for the most part, most guns are up here towards the trigger guard on the left side. Some are down there on the bottom. On this one, it's on the left side, but on the grip, rearward on the left side. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit that magazine release, set it to the side. All right, now from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that there's no round in the chamber. All right, so we took the magazine out, but we gotta make sure there's no round in the chamber. And there's two different ways to do that. The easiest way I found with this is we're gonna take this lever here on the left side, we're gonna pull it forward, all right? And the barrel will actually pop up like that. From here, we can see that there's no round in the chamber, and we're gonna go ahead and take that and flip that all the way up. Now from here, we're gonna take the slide, we're gonna pull it back, and when I pull it back, when I pull it backwards, we're gonna lift the front up, and it's gonna come up and off. So bring it back, bring the front up, and off it comes, all right? Take the slide, we're gonna set it to the side, and then this is what is left over when it comes to field stripping this 3032. Right, so the barrel doesn't come off completely, nothing else comes off completely except for the slide. So we have two main parts, all right? We have the slide and the frame with the barrel. All right, from here, you can do any type of cleaning or maintenance you might need to do to your 3032. Now, getting back into reassembly, it's gonna be very simple, but in reverse, all right? Take that slide, again, nose up, all right, marry it in, then we're gonna slide it back, all right? From here, bring the barrel back down, and it's gonna lock into place, all right? Now, what we wanna do is we wanna make sure the safety's off, and we're gonna do a functions check. So with that, again, we're gonna go ahead and pull the trigger, all right? And we're gonna let go. Now let's go ahead and pull that slide back, all right? This time, again, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna pull the trigger and let go, but going forward, now we're going to pull that slide back, let go, and this time we're going to pull that trigger, hold the trigger. We're going to, while holding the trigger, pull that slide back and let go. Now we're going to release the trigger just until we hear and or feel that click. Once we hear that click, it lets us know the trigger has been reset. Let's go ahead and pull that trigger one more time. Hold the trigger to the rear again, pull a slide back and let go. And once more, we're gonna release the trigger until we hear and or feel that click. From here, we're gonna take the finger off the trigger. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn that safety back on. And with that, we have now field stripped and been able to clean our 3032 Tomcat by Beretta. For more videos on how to take apart your firearm, be sure to check out our channel on YouTube, PTPGun.com Firearms Training. And if you do not see a particular handgun that you have that you would like to see cleaned, let us know. Email me at ryan@ptpgun.com. The email's in the description below, and let me know what you have and how we can go about doing that video for you so that you know how to take apart your firearm safely and effectively. Also, comment below. Let us know in the comments, what videos would you like to see done in the future? That's where we get a lot of our inspiration for our video topics. Let us know what you'd like to see, and if you haven't yet done so, hit that subscribe button. Thank you all again. Stay safe, and as always, learn, defend, prevail.